Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have authorized admin rights, not guessing. Once done, enable sudo or switch to root via a secure console. Use SSH keys and MFA to reduce risk. Make a quick backup of /etc. and any configs you'll change, and store one copy off host. Then export your environment. Note path and any custom shells. You're now ready to run the first elevated commands, but proceed deliberately and keep a recovery plan handy. You should prefer sudo for single administrative commands and switch to su only when you need an interactive root session. When editing critical configs, use sudo for sudoers and make a timestamped copy before changing files so you can revert quickly. Apply changes one at a time, restart or reload services with systemtool, and verify status and logs to confirm behavior. If something looks off, stop and inspect, rather than making multiple signs. When you finish, close any root shells and revoke temporary keys so access remains minimal. You should document what you changed, why, and when, save commands and timestamps for future audits. Make sure services are stable and remove any test accounts. If something fails, isolate the affected service, boot into rescue mode or single user mode, and restore the backup you made. This is faster than guessing. One tip: if logs show permission denied, check file ownership and ACLs first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.